So one of the query that I recently faced in my Appium Python course is that I'm currently dealing with a picker wheel that consists of different option. What I did was to scroll, then check against the particular result that I expect. But the scroller is too fast. Is there a way to scroll slower? So basically, what happens is if I go to scroller like date picker, this is what date picker is. And generally, if you use this code mobile scroll for the date picker, like I've also written it over here. If I run this now and if I show it to you, so what happens is see it was very fast. Let me again show it to you. So let me again run this, and if you look at the real device, see very quickly it selected 10, 20 and all the values over here. Now what I want for this particular value, let's say I want to scroll slowly and want to validate these values as well, and then I want to select a particular value. So is there a way to do it? Is there a way to do it? Yes, we can do it. Let's say how we're gonna write the code for it. So what we'll do first, we're gonna define the number of steps that we need to scroll. Let's say for this, I'll be saying steps equal to, let's say I want to scroll 10 steps, and then I'll say I'll be defining a total offset value as well. So total offset equal to, and for the timing I'll be making it 1.5. And then what I'll do, I'll calculate the offset per step. So this I'll be doing it like this: offset, I'll create a variable offset per step equal to, I'll say total offset divided by let's say number of steps. And then I'll create a loop. I'll say for this in range, sorry, for this in range of the steps. So this actually should run up till the range of the steps, and what we'll do, we'll perform the scroll in smaller steps with some delay. So we're gonna say driver.execute script, the same script I'm just going to copy it from here that we have written for scrolling. And what I'll do, order next, everything remains same. This offset value, I'm going to change it offset per step. So this is one change I'll be doing it. And then I'm gonna define this, we're gonna do it for which wheel. Let's say I'm going to do it for this wheel, the second one. So I'll just move it here and comment out this or let's remove the send keys part, will not be using send keys. And this I'll name it as, let's say this is my wheel underscore 2 equal to this. And then further, this wheel I'll be using it over here. Right. So then I'll say once this is done, then add a time dot sleep for let's say 0.5 seconds. That's it. And then let's try to run this much and see if it is executing it slowly or not. So let's run it. And now you can see it's moving the values with a little delay of half a second, right? But the only thing is that it has actually executed it for 10 steps. Now what I want, that it should actually stop at a particular step. Let's say I want to stop at step 55. So how to do this? So for this, let's say this is my target value. I'll say target value equal to 55, right? This should be in a string format. So I'll say target value equal to 55, and I'll say current value equal to, from this wheel2, we'll say wheel2 dot get attribute, and we're gonna get the value attribute. So in the value attribute, we're gonna get this text, and then I'll try to print this current value as well. Print the current value, and after this, I'll say if the current value equal to the target value. If this is equal to the target value, then what it should do? It should break it, right? So this is what we are going to write, and then let's run this and let's see if it works. So if I run this, and then it should stop at 55. Okay, see, it is not stopping. Why? Because see, the value over here is running as 0102, right? And here it is printing at 00 minutes, 01 minute, 02 minutes, right? So if you want to stop at this 55 minutes, so instead of 55, we need to give it as 55 minutes, and then we should run it. So if I run this now, let's see. And as soon as it comes 55, it stopped, right? Because right now on the watch is 54, so we have given 55, so it's just one step ahead, right? But this logic actually worked. So this is how you can slow down the speed of your date picker wheel, the select picker wheel, and then you can just get the value, and you can do a validation with the value as well, and then you can stop at a particular value that you want, right? So that's the logic behind. So that's all in this lecture. Thank you.